This content is brought to you by Blind Help Project, www.blindhelp.net, envisioning a brighter tomorrow through the lens of technology. Click the subscribe button and visit our website for more information.
Hello everyone, my name is Oudie Vann. Today, I make a video how to use Be My AI. What is Be My AI? First, I can explain you what is Be My AI. I need you to know more about application a little bit. The application is called Be My Eyes. What is Be My Eye? Be My Eyes is used to connect blind and visually impaired people through a sighted person by the live video on phone, such as like a video call, but it's used the back camera to ask a sighted person to read document, describe everything around you, such as your bedroom, your home, something like that, and help you to set up your product or set up your room, etc. You can do more stuff like that with a sighted person on live video with Be My Eyes. Nowadays, Be My Eyes developed one feature. It's called Be My AI. Be My AI, it's used artificial intelligence by ChatGPT that I remember is ChatGPT 4.0 to describe everything around you by the AI. Before, you can ask a sighted person to describe everything around you. You can have the ability to use Be My AI to describe everything around you without call sighted volunteer to be help. Okay, let's start to use the application and I can explain you more and how about my feeling of this AI. Now, Be My AI, it's still in beta. You can find the Be My AI access. You can tap on that and then you can register into the wait list. I have registered and received the approval from the Be My Eyes team.
Be My AI.
I tap on this. Be My Eyes is located at the second tab.
Selected. Be My AI.
Okay, after that, you can have the one button located on screen called Take Picture. Before you taking picture, you can point your camera around you, on your left, on your right, on the middle, or around the room that you want to take a picture. And then you can hold your phone steady and take a picture of that. I will take a picture in front of me.
Take picture.
Okay.
0%. Analyzing picture. Please wait. The picture shows a section of a room with glossy white floor tiles. On the right side, there is a white vase with an arrangement of artificial flowers in various colors, including pink, yellow, and green. The vase is placed on the floor against a wall. In the background, there is a low white cabinet or shelf attached to the wall, with its doors closed. There are some visible blue cables running along the wall and into the cabinet. The wall above the cabinet is plain and white. The overall lighting in the room is bright.
Okay, this is how the Be My Eyes describe everything around you.
Take picture.
You can have the button to take another picture.
Ask more.
You can have the button to ask more. These button mean ask more. You can write any text message to Be My AI to be described. Such as you want to know more about the flower, you want to know more about the blue cable, you want to know more about everything that AI has described to you that you remember. So let's try ask more.
Ask more.
Okay, I will ask the AI to describe flower.
Voice input.
Please describe about the flower in the picture.
Back. Please describe about the flower in the picture. Send message.
When you type everything finished, you can press on the button in the send message.
Please wait. Be My AI is writing a message.
Just wait.
Be My AI. The flowers in the vase appear to be a mix of different types and colors. There are pink flowers that resemble roses, some small yellow flowers, and green foliage interspersed throughout the arrangement. The flowers and leaves have a shiny, artificial look, suggesting they are not real. The arrangement is quite full and the flowers are tightly bunched together, creating a colorful and cheerful display.
This means it's the artificial intelligence. I can explain you shortly. This is the fake flower, not a real flower. You can ask more with Be My Eyes by touching this.
Reply.
You can touch on reply and you can type more message. You can has the ability when you swipe to the left side,
Add picture.
you can add a picture. That means you can take another picture.
Call a volunteer.
You can call a volunteer. When you press on this button, it leads you to the call directly and end this chat. Remember, when you call the volunteer, the picture that you have taken with Be My AI will not include with a cited volunteer. So, I hope this video is clearly for you. That it's for today. See you in the next video. Goodbye.
Subscribe to our channel and keep visiting www.blindhelp.net for the latest software, articles, tutorials, and demonstrations. Participate in our discussion forum and interact with us via our social media outlets.